是用来我那个软款那个伺服电机上的吗？不是伺服图的那个。 第四个这个吗？
Hello everyone.
但是收货数字是24呀。
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to the live showroom from TZBOT. I am Nicole. This is our third live show of September and this is our last live show of this month. Thank you very much for watching and the last live show and supporting TZBOT. In the last two live shows, we introduced the TZBOT's Agv series products and the drive wheel series, respectively. And today we will introduce our Agv Accessories series products. For example, the magnetic navigation sensors, bumper sensors, and motor controllers, and so on. Before we start, I would like to introduce TZBOT's September promotions. Here. Oh, sorry. And you can see this is our September promotion poster. You can see here we will give you some coupons, and the coupons have different amount, such as, for example, this one, the most big one. This is $500 one, and this one with the largest discount. It requires you to purchase more than $10,000 in our products. In addition, some of our Agv accessories are 10% off. So September is coming to the end, so our promotion is just coming to the end, so just don't miss it. And you can see we have held two live shows before. That is one for Agv and one for Agv drive wheels. You can see this is our YouTube channel, and this is our Alibaba store homepage. You can scan the QR code and enter our Alibaba shop, and you can get these coupons. So let's introduce how to get these coupons. Here. So how to get and use our coupons? It is very simple. And we made a menu for you. The first step, you can enter our homepage, our Alibaba store homepage, and you can see that the coupon part is here. And click view all the coupons. And the step 2, at the point that you can see all the coupons, click get coupons. Just click it. Click the coupon that you want. Remember, take care of the amount, discount amount, and it will show redeem now after receiving it. Then step 3, you can see the option to use coupons on the product page here. So if you want to chat with us or you want to start order, you can here. You can click the buttons. Here, start order, contact supplier, call us, or add to chart. Step 4. Or you can also choose to use coupons on the order page. Go to your order list and find the unpaid orders. Click the make payment. Here. Waiting for payment, just click it. Step 5. Click apply coupon and select the suitable coupon. Sorry, it may be some noise. And the order amount on the right will show minus the corporate amount. Click apply. It will show coupon applied. Then you can enjoy a very good price. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions about these coupons, you can chat with us, and our sellers will introduce how to use it, or just help you to get the coupons. So you can see that we have prepared many coupons in many denominations. Of course, there are the thresholds for coupons, such as, for example, this one, you need to purchase more than $10,000, and this one, $8,000 and $4,000, and so on. You can scan the QR code. Oh, sorry, I forgot to switch the page. Sorry, you can see. For example, this one, $500 off. You need to pay for more than $10,000, and this one $8,000, and this one $4,000, and so on. And you can scan the Alibaba store code. So I believe you will already be using. So I believe that you have learned how to use these coupons and know the coupon amount and so some details. So In addition, okay, in addition, 刮是什么意思？刮 In addition, if you go to the store to inquire and submit an order during the live show, we will give you the daughter cable for a small gift as a small gift. And you can see here it has our logo. It has our TZBOT logo. This is a very small gift that for you supporting us. Yes. Okay, go back. So as you know, TZBOT is a very professional AGV drive wheel, and Agv accessory supplier. So I need to introduce what is AGV again. AGV, automatic guided vehicle, is a transport vehicle that can travel along a prescribed guide path, has safety protection and various transfer functions. Due to its high degree of automation, safety, and flexibility, AGV is currently one of the best solutions for automatic material handling in China. At present, TZBOT has developed and put into production a variety of AGVs, such as the locking AGV, the piggyback AGV, and the forklift AGV, and so on. And because we have our own engineer team, and so we will research and develop by ourselves, and we have many patents and many CE. Yes, so don't worry about our technique. This is the AGV application. Some AGV applications: express logistics center, port and wharf, transportation of dangerous goods, factory material handling, hospital service, and so on. This is just five applications of AGV, and I think AGV can be a trend of the future logistics material handling. Okay, next, this is the some Agv vehicle models. The Agv structures, yes, the Agv structures that have been adapted and implemented so far. This is the five This is the five Agv structures that, for example, from the left, that is two differential wheel. The two differential wheel, single differential wheel, fixed differential wheel, single steering wheel, dual steering wheel. This one, for example, this one use two differential drive wheel set, so it can achieve that drive forward, drive backward, and steer. It is very flexible. Yes. The second one, it use just one differential drive wheel set, so it can only drive one way, just forward. Yes, drive forward, and this we have developed it, for example, our TZAGV LU01, that is a one-way looking AGV. This one, the middle one, that is, it use two single wheels on the left and on the right. Our TZAGV B02 is this AGV structure, and it use two 300 watts drive wheel. It can achieve drive forward, drive backward, and steer. Next one is the single steering wheel. This structure use just one horizontal drive wheel with steering motor. So this structure will make less models. Yes. And the final one is dual steering wheel type. That is, this structure use two horizontal drive wheel, which is equipped with steering motor. So this type always also equipped with two casters. So um, uh, uh, the casters as the driving wheel. This type can drive all directional. Okay? Directionals, yes. And today's topic is AGV accessories. That means you know the HV structure and want to make one type of this, one type from this. So if you want to make an AGV by yourself, so TZBOT can provide all a series AGV accessories for you. We will have a sheet. We will have a sheet for you to choose which to choose what accessories you need. For example, in the sheet, you can see the drive wheel, the motor controller, magnetic navigation sensor, AGV controller, RFID sensor, and so on. You can choose what you need according to your needs. Yes, and we can provide most suitable solution for you. So today, because the live show time is limited, we mainly introduce three types of the most important AGV accessories for you. That is the sensor, the motor driver or motor controller, and other functional accessories. First is the AGV sensor series. Agv sensors include magnetic navigation sensors, RFID sensors, or you can call it landmark sensors, obstacle avoidance sensors, laser navigation sensors, vision sensors, and so on. TZBOT specializes in providing customers with AGV-related navigation solutions and supporting products. You can see from the left, that is our best seal magnetic navigation sensor, and the middle one is our the related RFID sensor, and the right one is our obstacle avoidance sensor. So what is magnetic navigation sensor? You can see on the PPT. The magnetic navigation sensor is a kind of sensor used to detect the magnetic field or detect the route made by magnetic tape. Yes, it is one of the important components on the Agv vehicle. It uses the magnetic fields to locate the driving route of the Agv. Magnetic navigation sensors are generally used with magnetic tapes, magnetic spikes or cables, and are mainly used in automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, agencies, AMRs, and so on. So, um, um, if you know some, if you know something about AGV, you will know that the magnetic navigation is the most stable and cost-effective navigation method for AGV. Yes, because the road is easy to plate. You just need to you just need to 贴怎么说 sleep 吗 sleep 是撕 you just need to put the magnetic tape on the ground and may make it a road, and that the sensor will detect it and guide the AGV to drive along the road. So this time, this method is our most recommended. But nowadays, many industries and many companies want to use the AGV, or you can see the AMR, equipped with the laser navigation sensor, and this is the our future. This is our future and the 目标怎么说 destination 可以随便 Okay, you can see this is the installation tips. The button service to the ground distance h. This distance should be around 35 millimeter for best performance. So you need to take care of the installation height of the magnetic navigation sensor, and then standard mount direction should be above. Should be like the picture in the picture, that the front and rear sensor direction should be opposite. You can change your mount direction, but you need to configure it right in Agv Studio. Agv Studio is a software, and if you buy our Agv and want to adjust it, we will send it to you, and we will send you all the software and the app and so on to you if you need. And now, hot seal model TZSMAG 16000A. This model is the most recommended model for you. And if you buy our AGV, we almostly will equip this model on the AGV. Here you can see the size, the precision, it is very high precision, and the communicate interface, it support CAN RS485, RS202, and before we send it to you, we will set the interface. So you need to tell us before we send it. Detect distance, that the detect distance of this model is 20 millimeter to 60 millimeter. And if you think this model is the distance is too short, we can provide a wider one, and I will introduce it later. Okay, and this one, the polar allows N and S, north and south. So it means that it can detect both north and south polar. The fox detect right, middle, left. Yes. TCS MAG 1600 A is the main push magnetic navigation sensor. The communication methods are RS485, RS232, and CAN, which needs to be confirmed with the customer in advance. So we will confirm what interface you need and in advance. Yes, the sensor is cost effective and has a high purchase rate. Many TZBOT customers buy one of it, for example, a sample, and then they will come back to buy more because this sensor is very cost effective and has a high quality. Okay. This sensor is generally used with TCS RFID T00308. Yes. This magnetic navigation sensor and this RFID sensor, we always sell it as a set. Okay, you can see some features of this model that is high precision that I have mentioned it. It has just 1 millimeter detection accuracy. Yes, and it has a multiple communication interface. Yes, and it can be connected to our AGV controller. Our AGV controller, I should I should I should introduce this AGV controller in the first live show, which is introducing the AGV vehicle, but we didn't hold it successfully. But this AGV controller can install instead of some PLC. And if you buy our AGV vehicle, we suggested that you can choose the AGV controller, because we will provide a software, and you can write some programming. You can program it by this AGV controller. and it is very cost effective. So if there's some and if there's sometime maybe we need to introduce AGV and AGV controller again. Yes, and today we are introducing the AGV accessories. So maybe later or sometimes. Yes, and this one TCS MAG 3000 this one is the oh, this one is our new design, and this one is an extended version of the the last one, TZS MAG 1600A. Yes, the difference is the 3000, right? 3000, it means this means, 诶，这怎么不一样？ it is flexible to detect the magnetic. This model, yeah, this longer model, it is longer than other magnetic sensors, and the detection range will be wider. It can apply for the AGV widely. So if you want to build a small AGV, you can choose the 1600 one. And if your AGV is big, is big, very wide, and you need a wide detect range, you can choose this 3000 one. And the difference just the detect range and the precision and the polar loss, and um, that that is seen. Yes, but according to, okay, we made a poster. We made a poster to 啥呀？卡住了。唉。So this one is new one, and this one is the standard model. Standard model. And then mention these two is always used. It can handle the control they have mentioned, and this the next part, and we the of magnetic and in combination the overall is magnetic condition. If you want to use sensors with a control Rfid sensor, the this just 怎么不动？Have a drink. time to watch our live show, but don't worry, you can is finished. Yes. Okay. Maybe someone will say that I don't need that so many. There's so many communication interfaces for the Agv sensor that I only need I/O communication interface.哦，卡住了哦。嗯，sorry, our our net our net is not stable. Yes. Okay, I will say what I say again. That is, someone maybe will say that I don't need so many communication interfaces. I only need I/O interface. So don't worry, we can provide it. That is our TZS MAG I08 and TZS MAG I16. These two model only have I/O interface, and this is the dimension of it. It is suggested that the installation height to be 20 to 40 millimeter. And you can see in the picture, you can see it carefully that for take TZS MAG I08 for example, there's some detection point on it, and when the magnetic. Okay, I forgot the video. I will show you the video of TZS MAG 1608. Sorry. Uh, Wait a minute. I believe that if you see the video, you can if you see the video, you can understand the sensor, what is the Agv sensor more carefully. Yes. Sorry, the network is not stable. I will test it. Oh, I will play it again. You can see the Agv is drive along the magnetic tape. The AGV magnetic navigation sensor, the function is that the detect the magnetic tape. Okay, it is finished. So let's go back to the screen. So I'm sorry that I forgot to show you the videos. And now go back to the I/O interface sensor. Yes. And the difference between the shorter one and the longer one, that is uh, it take the shorter one, for example, TCS MAG I08. It has eight detection points. When it detects the magnetic tape, the light will shine, light it, and I will show you a video later. And the longer one, TZS MAG I16. So you can know from its model that this one has 16 detection points. Here you can see the technical parameters. The difference is the max consumption flow. Shorter one, the smaller one, has 80 mA, and the longer one has 60 is 160 mA. It's open control. It has, and the number of output channels, I08. It is N per direction, 8 channels. Yes, it has 8 channels, and the other one has 16 channels. Only this difference, and you can choose which model. You can choose the model that you need. Actually, I need to introduce the advantages and the disadvantages of these two models. The biggest advantage is that these two models is very cheap. Yes, it is very cheap and very cost effective. And this all made by alloy pre solid. Wait a minute. 铝合金。They are made aluminum alloy. Yes, they are made by aluminum alloy. 好难啊，这个 English. And it is not easy to 坏掉 to 摔坏。It is not easy to break. And I need to see the disadvantages are honest. That is, these two models only has I/O ports, and it is convenient for wiring. Yes. And compare these two model. Can you see it carefully? I can be bigger. That you can see the the interface. The interface is very easy to connect the cable with the sensor. That you just need 转它的转转 you just need to rotate in and find the right place and rotate in. It is okay because we make the very simple connection in interface. And this one, it seems that I didn't find the I didn't I didn't put the photos with the cable. It like a rainbow. It is like a rainbow. It has many cables, and you need to plug it. Beside it has many advantages. On the right, you can see compatible with foreign specifications, products, switch, transistor, OC gate output. Oh, sorry. Standard 16-point eventually distributed point spacing 10 millimeter high sensitivity semiconductor Hall sensor. Check the status indicator display. Industrial 3 anti-design. Wide voltage and low power consumption. Yes, and more details you can contact us and our sellers will tell you. And there's has a video. There's a video for you. Mhm. Can you see it? Sorry. 哎，放完了吗？ Play again. You can see the light. You can see the light, and you can see the interface cable. Okay. And go back to the screen. Mm. 关掉了 Sorry. Can you see the screen? Yes. And we have introduced 1, 2, 3, 3 types of magnetic navigation sensor, and this is the last one. Oh, the model is wrong. The model is TZSMAG 1600 C. Yes, C, not A. You can see the cable. You can see the cable is also like a rainbow. And just plug it and clock it. It is okay. It is also very simple to connect it. You can see the technical parameters. The biggest advantage of this model is that it can support all kinds of communication interface that can S485, S232, and IO. It has four. So it has four communication interfaces. It is also made by aluminum alloy. Here you can see this model. So let me introduce it. TZS MAG 1600C is a magnetic navigation sensor especially designed for AGV magnetic strip navigation. No. It is wrong. Designed for magnetic navigation AGV. Yes. After the magnetic field signal induced by the sensor. The switch quantity signal is output to provide the required magnetic strip signal to the main controller. And here is the advantages and disadvantages of this model. The advantages is that the C-tap is cheap. And but it has four kinds of interfaces, right? Um, but it has the disadvantages. Um, the wearing is not waterproof. Theirs is a waterproof model, but this waterproof model has no I/O port. This one because it is the same series with the 1600A. It can also connected with the AGV controller. This has no video. Yes, so let's review it that TZBOT magnetic navigation sensor has the most hot sale model is that the TZS MAG 1600A and the wider one 3000A. And this one C tap, and that two models that only has I/O interface, that the I08 and I16, right? So these one, two, three, 4, 5 models. So we have finished the magnetic navigation sensor part and have a rest. In China now it is 3 o'clock. About 3 o'clock p.m. and maybe it is very late in American time. Yes. And now we are Monday. Maybe in American you are still Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, yes. And don't forget, if you inquiry in our Alibaba store, and finally submit an order, we can give you this daughter cable as a small gift. Ooh, as a small gift. It is red, and our logo is also red. Red. Yes, red. 3 interface type. And just today in Peking time, that is September 26th. Yes, and it is coming to the end of September, and our September promotion is also, it means that it is also coming to the end. You just don't miss the promotion. Yes, this is the biggest promotion for 1 year, for this year, so don't miss it. If you want to buy Agv and Agv drive wheel, Agv accessories, you can follow us, and we will upload some Agv product videos and some knowledge about Agv. Yes. Okay. So the next part is RFID sensor. This RFID sensor is designed for industry use, and it's used for Agv site location detection. It can also be used for material in identification and mobile positioning. Yes, these two. TZBOT now has these two RFID model, that the black one and the blue one. Okay. RFID has the advantages of non-contact and non-line of sight. Using RFID to control the positioning of the Agv car compared with other positioning methods. For example, the inner这怎么读啊？这玩意儿 The laser positioning and so on, not only has a simple structure, not only has a simple structure, low cost, but also is easier to implement and can accurately locate. Yes. So RFID sensor is also a very important part of Agv. Okay, the hot seal model. The hot seal model is TCS Rvid T00308. This RFID sensor. The main function of the RFID sensor is to accurately determine the Agv site and set different action instructions at each site. Our RFID sensors have both read and write functions and support multiple communication interface. That means this this model can both read and write the RFID text. You can write the action instructions in the RFID tag um, put it on the magnetic tape ground that AGV drive to the AGV tag, so that it can read the instructions in the tag, and the AGV will make the related actions according to the tag, according to the instructions. Yes, and you can see the technical parameters, the structures. You can see the product features. It is also made by aluminum alloy. It is very light, but it is not easy to break. Okay, and I will show you a video. It has a very high precision. Think about. Can you see the video? Accurate parking within 5 millimeters. It means that this RFID sensor has a very high accuracy. Yes, play again. And in the video, this AGV model is our TZAGV B02, and it is our best sale AGV. We call it small orange vehicle. Okay. Okay, go back to the screen. How time flies! I think the time is so fast. I even didn't finish the AGV sensor AGV sensor part. Yes, and I forgot to say that this RFID sensor is generally used with the 1600A, that magnetic navigation sensor. Or that PPT, yes, this one. That this one and this one is always used together. And this blue one, TZS Rvid T0010C. This type is upgraded before the live show. Before that, it is black. It is a black one, and now it is blue. But the parameters and the function didn't is the same. Yes, is the same. It has the CAN IS485 IS232 interface.
高的是
And this is the whole site. This is the whole site. The advantage and the disadvantages. Okay, the biggest advantage is cheap. Yes, it is cheaper than the black one. But it also has the disadvantages that it it seems that my camera has some problem. Wait a minute. Whoa, 卡住了。Okay, it is normal. And in the right, you can see the installation height and the position. The installation tips that you need to be careful. But this model didn't have the video. Okay. Okay, the magnetic navigation sensor, the Agv sensor part is finished, and so I introduced the TZBOT magnetic navigation sensor, Rfid sensor, and it is sorry that I didn't introduce the obstacle avoidance sensor series. If you are interested in, scan the QR code and go to our Alibaba's homepage, and or you can see the chat. You can see the chat part in the right side of the live show that I have uploaded the website, the mobile, the email address. So welcome to contact us. We are happy to find the solution for you. Okay. So next part is the motor driver or motor controller. It is also very important part for HV, for making an HV. So let's see. Motor driver. Our motor drivers has a wide range of types and are suitable for a variety of motor types, including BLDC motor. It means the direct current brushless motor, servo motor. AC motor, DC brushed motor, and so on. Drivers can also be divided into single-channel drivers and dual-channel drivers. The appropriate driver can be selected according to customer needs. I have put some model driver images on it. You can see these two blue one. The two blue one is dual channel and one is single channel. These two are all our LDS low voltage servo motor controller series. Yes. And this series is our most recommended model. So I will introduce it. First is the LDS series single channel series. We now has LDS 15B 60G, 20C 60G, 40C 96G, 65B 96G. These four models. You can see the parameters, the rated current, the max current, the max overload time, and so on. So in our single channel motor driver series, the current can during the 10 to 130. Yes. Okay, next is our dual channel. Dual channel has five models. Dual channel means that if you, for example, if you buy a horizontal drive wheel with a steering motor, that you need to buy. If you want to buy one channel motor driver, that you need two, right? One for the traction motor and one for the steering motor. But if you buy a dual channel motor driver, you can this one has two channels, so it can control the traction motor and the steering motor simultaneously. So it can save the AGV in inner vehicle space, right? It is more cost effective. You can see this is the applications. The motor driver can use for robot, the AGV, and the service robot, and so on. It has the advantages: flight, small size, wide voltage, light weight, high power density, and so on. Yes, it has many features. And the working current of LDS series DC servo controller can reach 208. Acceleration and jerk mode control, fast positioning without shaking, can open bus, Ethercat bus, multi-axis linkage work, support IS-485 communication protocol. Multiple hardware and software protection models, real-time reading of current, speed, and positioning. So, but there's the choosing tips. You need pay attention to that. The driver rated current need to bigger than the motor rated current, and LDS series is suitable for the brushed DC, AC servo brushless DC motor, and the LD series is suitable for the brushless DC motor. Okay, I can show you a video. I can show you a video that is, although that is mainly about the how to install, how to connect the driver with the AGV drive wheel. But you can see the our LDS drive model product. Sorry, the video. 驱动器 I played it before. Sorry. 等一下。There's some problems. 停止共享一下看。分享视频 share。OK。梳一下头发。This blue one is the dual channel motor controller, because these two is our single drive wheel. It always use with two. So this dual channel motor driver is suitable.啊？爆炸用哪个链接？什么意思啊？你想要哪一个最高分配让可以看满不是爆炸？我们有卖爆炸吗？这么小的链接，你随便搞一个上去了。爆炸应该很少单卖吧。Okay, finished. We can play it again. I can stop it. So in the video, you can see that if you buy our Agv drive wheel series, the single drive wheel series, that you will get two single drive wheel. For example, these two is TZDL 200 and PT model, and it can equipped with one dual channel motor controller. So need the encoder cable, drive wheel power cable, and so on. We will send you the installation video. And if you still can't understand it, our engineer team will give you the technical support. So don't worry about our after-sales service. The cable connection is very simple, right? Just plug in. The wiring is very simple. Even a girl that didn't understand it, she can do it. We can provide the software. Test it, yes. Okay, the video is finished. Go back to the screen. Have a rest. Have a drink. Besides of the our LDS low voltage servo motor driver series, we have many other motor drivers. It will according to your needs. Yes. For example, the 2020p and the other model. Yes. Okay. Now that is our part 3, other accessories. If you want to assemble an Agv in addition to accessories such as drive wheel, sensors, and motor controllers, you also need some other functional accessories. TZBOT can provide a complete Agv accessory solution according to your specific needs. For example, from the left, that is our Agv charging station. Yes, this is our new product, and the green one is our Agv charging brush board and block. These two is a set. One is on the Agv vehicle and one is on the station. And I will show you a video later. This one is the lifting device. This one is the lifting device, and I will introduce it later. The hooking, and this is the hooking device. And this is a bumper sensor. I can introduce the accessories according to the Agv structure. Can you see it clearly? This one, this structure, this structure is our looking Agv, our two-way looking Agv, and you can see these two on the top of the Agv. That this two is the hooking device. It will up when it is up, and it will hook the shelf. When the Agv is looking into the bottom of the shelf, this hook device will rest, and it will it will hook the shelf, and so that the Agv can drive with the shelf. Maybe it is not carefully, and when you see the video, it will be understand you can understand it. And this green, red, white one, these are the buttons, and the black one is the music alarm. And this one, because this is a two-way looking Agv, so the bumper sensor, there's two bumper sensors. One is on the front and one is on the rear. Let me see what this is the battery. This is the battery box, and we usually use LI LIP battery 怎么说呢？切入电池。Nowadays we usually use lithium iron phosphate battery. Yes. And these two, because this is a two-way looking Agv, so it use two differential drive wheel set. This is obstacle. This black one is the obstacle avoidance sensor. 这是红外线吗？ This is the bumper sensor. And this one, speaker, the music alarm, and the sonic, mount plate, buttons, stop, start, and reset, and the emergency stop button. Online charging. No, online charging. Oh, this one. This is the charging. This is the charging brush board. It need to install it on the Agv vehicle. And this is the black one. The black one is the bumper sensor, the battery box. Now, let's introduce the first product, that is our charging station, new arrival charging station. It is green, and it has a panel, and it has operation panel. It is a LCD touch screen and indicator light, stop button and start button. Here is the parameters. Here is a video. This is our jacking. This is our jacking AGV. And you can see the charging station. The charging brush block will go out. And you can see the light. The block will go back, and then the AGV will drive away. So it is automatic. The whole process is automatic. You can see it again. This AGV model has a lifting device. Okay. Here is the structure. Here is the structure of this charging station. 3 color light and a buzzer. The touch screen, buttons, foot pad. And it has many features. Okay. 我怎么没有把 charging? Okay. That is the charging station, and this is the charging brush board and the block set. Until now we have these five models, 20 to 200, and you can see the parameters. If you can decide which type you need, you can see your requirements to us, and we will analyze it for you. and choose the most suitable charging dashboard and block for you. The features. It is very wear resistance, and it has the excellent electrical conductivity and good thermal conductivity. And we can customize it for you. Although we now not until now we have these 5 models. If you need a specific current, we can make it for you. I'll go back here. This one is our bumper sensor. You can see that we have the straight one, the curved one, and this shape. You can see. We can provide OEM service. So if you need a specific shape, you can provide your drawing. And we can make it for you. The bumper sensor has the video. Let's show a video. Bumper sensor. The black one. So the bumper sensor can protect the AGV from brake that when the obstacle avoidance sensor is not usable. Yes, the obstacle avoidance sensor is turned off. In the inner there is a sensor. Here is audio of it. Is touch. When they touched, the charging is beginning. It start. And there's another one. Here is the application video from our customer. In the whole process, it is automatic. Okay. Go back to the screen. Okay, this one. This one is our two jacking device. The bigger one is TZDS XD. It means that this jacking device can lift and rotate. And the small one is can only lift. And this one, this jacking and rotating one is also a upgrade model. You can see here, this 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 is the older one. This is the old model that is adding a dust cover to the rear assistance. It can make the dust. Oh, yes. Let's see. This is the last accessory. That is the hooking device. This hooking device can used in locking guided vehicles, locking AGV, locking type AGV, and other type AGVs. This product uses high quality motors and accessories with a compact structure and low noise, can be customized according to customers' requirements. Did you still remember it on the looking AGV structure drawing? And this one, these two is the hooking device. And this one, this mounting panel, the hooking panel. This one should be installed on in the bottom of the shelf. Here is the process. Looking AGV begins to look into the shelf. The AGV sensor detects the signal of the reflector of the bottom of the shelf, and the hook pin raises. Hook panel locked the hook pin. The AGV Then the AGV can drive to the designated location with the shelf. After arriving at the location, the hook pin will drop. The video is more careful. The video can show more details. You can see the hook pin will rise and drop. Then the panel locked. Then the shelf will be moved and the hook pin will drop. This device is for looking AGV.
就是反正是能做的，对吧？好的。
Okay, here I forgot to show you the videos of the jacking AGV. This is our new arrival, that with the dust cover. This is the application. Can you see it? I play again. You can see it is jacking. This is the jacking, and then the rotating. Distance is about 60 millimeter. You can see, look into, 然后 then the jacking AGV up, raised, and then the shelf will be raised. Okay. share 的屏幕 Okay, the Agv accessory part is finished. Do you have any problems? So today's live show is coming to the end, and I want to introduce our September promotion again. That is, we have prepared many coupons for you. That of course you need to reach the order amount. And you can scan our QR code and go to our Alibaba homepage, and you can get the coupons. And if you maybe the live show is too short and you didn't catch up, so that today before tomorrow, if you go to our Alibaba homepage and send an inquiry or submit an order, you can get this daughter sheet. You can get this daughter cable as our small gift. Yes, this one. This is a very small cable, but we are very thankful for your supporting. Okay, so today's live show is finished. Thank you so much for watching and supporting TZBOT. Thank you very much for your company in September. Our September live show promotion also ends here. If there are other live show arrangements, we will definitely inform you. Or you can also follow our channel TZBOT Tongzhu. We will upload the product videos from time to time. And you can also follow our Alibaba store. Yes, follow our Alibaba store and follow our YouTube channel. And so that you can catch all the promotions. Just don't miss it. September has still have 4 or 5 days for you, right? If you want to buy Agv or Agv accessories, don't miss the promotion. This promotion is the biggest promotion in the whole year. Okay, in the whole year. You can scan the QR code. Okay, thank you so much. And today's lecture is coming to the end. Thank you so much. Let's review. So that today's lecture we introduced the Agv accessories, for example, the sensors, magnetic navigation sensor, Rfid sensor, and motor controller. We most recommend the LDS series motor driver. And the other accessories, for example, the charging accessories, the lifting, the hook device, the bumper sensor, and so on. We still have many Agv accessories that because today's time is limited. So if you want to make an Agv by yourself, we can provide a whole series. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.